Thinking about selling your home in Denver or just curious about what renovations will actually make you money back? Today, we're breaking down the best renovations for ROI in the Denver real estate market. From kitchens to curb appeal, I'll show you the upgrades that attract today's buyers and boost your bottom line. If you're thinking about selling or even just want to boost your home's value, you need to hear this. And make sure to stick around until the end because I'll reveal one upgrade most people completely overlook, but it can add thousands to your home's value. Let's go. First up, the kitchen. You don't need a full gut reno to make a big impact. A well-executed kitchen refresh can make you back 70 to 85% on a return on investment. Start with the cabinets. Instead of replacing them, paint them. Stick with timeless, buyer-friendly shades like soft white, grange, or sage green, which is trending big in Denver right now. Swap out dated hardware for matte black or brushed gold finishes. Next up, upgrade your countertops to quartz or granite. If you're on a budget, a quartz-like look laminate are a great middle ground. Add a subway tile backsplash or go for a textured ceramic in a neutral tone. Lastly, update lighting. Pendant lighting over islands and under cabinet lightings can modernize a space instantly. Buyers love a clean, updated bathroom. You don't need to rip it down to the studs. A few key upgrades can go a long way. Replace an old vanity with a floating one to make the room feel larger. Opt for ceramic or porcelain tile in neutral stone looks. Upgrade your mirror to something with a wood or black frame. Swap out any builder-grade lighting for a sleek LED bar. Pro tip, install a dual flush toilet for a modern feel and water efficiency. Bonus for green conscious buyers. Interior paint is one of the highest ROI projects you can do. It's low cost and it completely transforms the feel of a home. Go for light, neutral tones to create a clean slate. Benjamin Moore's Swiss Coffee or Sherwin-Williams Agreeable Gray or a soft, warm like alabaster. Avoid bright colors or trendy colors. Even if you love them, they may not appeal to all buyers. And don't forget baseboards, ceilings, and interior doors. A clean, cohesive look can make a huge difference. Let's talk curb appeal. In Denver, your home's first impression can add real dollars to your sale. Start with the front door. Paint it something inviting like navy blue, black, or a rich red. Replace your house numbers with something modern. Power wash the exterior and consider painting the trim or shutters for a subtle refresh. For landscaping, keep it simple but tidy. Mulch, seasonal flowers, and trimmed hedges can create a clean, intentional look. And don't underestimate the impact of lighting in walkways. They add charm and safety. If you're looking for everything, the good, the bad, and everything in between about Denver, Colorado, and all the amazing suburbs around it, then you've come to the right channel. Go ahead and click that subscribe button so you stay on top of everything having to do with Denver. Energy efficient upgrade. Denver's buyers care about energy efficiency. Considering upgrading your windows, especially if your home is older, install smart thermostats. Not only does it help buyers envision living smarter, but many utility companies offer rebates. Also, think about sealing or insulating the attic. You won't see it in photos, but buyers feel the difference during showings. Floors matter. If you have outdated or damaged carpet or laminate, upgrading to luxury vinyl LVP is especially popular because it's waterproof, durable, and budget-friendly. If you can only do one floor, start with the main living area. It makes the biggest impact. backyard and outdoor living space. In Denver, where we get 300 days of sunshine a year, outdoor living is a huge part of the lifestyle. And the good news, it pays off. Outdoor upgrades typically bring in $15,000 to $10,000 in ROI, depending on the scope of the work. Buyers love outdoor spaces. Think patios, built-in grills, or even cozy fire pits. Make sure it's gas for more usability in Denver's fire risk areas. If you create an outdoor room, somewhere to eat, relax, or entertain, you're adding major appeal. A stamped concrete or paver patio, string lights, low maintenance landscaping, and small seating areas can transform even the smallest yard into a standout feature. This kind of setup is a major selling point in a variety of neighborhoods across the Denver metro. Pro tip: outdoor staging helps buyers picture life in that space. Add cushions, plants, and a bistro table for that extra touch. All right, here's the secret weapon most sellers miss: storage upgrades. Whether it's custom closets, garage organization, or built-in mudroom benches, this speaks volumes to Denver's buyers. Whether it's for your ski gear, biking, hiking, or a place to store those essential everyday items, these upgrades aren't flashy, but they create emotional appeal and help your home stand out from the competition. At the end of the day, the best renovations are the ones that make your home more livable and sellable. If you're ready to take the next steps or have questions about selling your home in the Denver metro, I'm here to help. Call or text me today. All my contact information is in the description below, and let's make your home selling journey a success.